Wat is one of the most iconic dishes in Ethiopian cuisine. Doro means chicken, and wat is a type of stew or curry, so you will not be surprised to learn that it is a richly spiced chicken stew known for its deep, bold flavours. These flavours come from bebere, which is an Ethiopian spice mix composed of the familiar chili peppers, garlic, ginger and basil, and the much less common Ethiopian cardamom, rue, ajwain, nigella and fenugreek, and from naite kibe, which is a spiced clarified butter. Doro Wat is made using a whole chicken that is cut into 12 pieces, symbolizing the 12 tribes of Israel. It is then cooked with onions, bebere and naite kibe for several hours to caramelize the onions and ensure the richness of the sauce. Hard-boiled eggs are often added towards the end, making it a complete meal, and it is traditionally served with injera, which is a kind of spongy pancake flatbread made from fermented batter based on flour ground from an indigenous grain called teff. This flatbread is then used in place of an eating utensil to scoop up the chicken stew. Doro Wat has many varieties, including one with tomatoes, but the spicier it is, the closer it gets to an authentic taste. Doro Wat is celebrated not only in Ethiopian communities, but also among food lovers globally. It is often featured in food festivals, cultural events and cooking classes, where it is used to represent the quintessence of Ethiopian cuisine.